Featured inventory is brought to you by Mike Thompson RV, your friend in the RV business since 1972.
Hi, I'm Ashley, and this is the AV Momentum by Grand Design. Follow me for a quick tour of all my favorite features.
This walkthrough is designed to give you a quick overview of the layout and key features of this RV. If you're watching on our website, you'll find detailed specifications just below this video. But the best way to truly appreciate this beautiful unit is to experience it in person. Stop by today for a private tour or contact us for more details. Like a brochure, this video represents the manufacturer's floor plan and is intended for general references only. Just like a home, every RV can vary. Features, options, colors, fabrics, and specifications may differ from one unit to another. For exact details on this floor plan, please contact a member of the Mike Thompson RV team. As you watch, notice the innovative ways the manufacturer has maximized every inch for storage and practicality. Keep in mind, there are many features not shown, and we simply don't have the time to cover everything in this short video. To fully appreciate all this RV has to offer, we invite you to come in and see it for yourself at Mike Thompson RV. Join thousands of Americans who have chosen the RV lifestyle. One of the most affordable and enjoyable ways to vacation. When you're ready to unplug and reconnect with friends and family, give us a visit. Conveniently located throughout Southern California, in Los Angeles, Orange County, Inland Empire, and Coachella Valley. We have RVs for every lifestyle and budget, making it easy to hit the road and create lasting memories for years to come. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest in RVing, new walkthrough videos, and helpful tips. Don't miss a moment. Get your family camping today.